Drugs in your air, cigarettes, television sets. At 12 p.m. sharp, you could feel your country's threats. Terrorists, swine flu, even sex offenders. And storytellers have a part in my open letter. But on the mic I be flowing with the rock offenders. Professors' lectures couldn't justify that they were better. My words get textured to my pleasure in this mad adventure. Don't give a fuck about the labels cause they wanna censor. And I don't care if I make it truly speaking. It's just this feeling that these cheat man has got me thinking. Uniquely, deeply feeling, seeming freely like I'm dreaming. Can you feel it? With my flows when I spit, yes, yes, y'all. Just grab it by the throat, just grab it by the throat, so that your mind could cope. Yes, yes, y'all. Just grab it by the throat, just grab it by the throat, just so your mind could cope. One more time, in my opinion, it's a fucked world we live in. Addicted to incisions, to imprison lighted visions. Submissive symbolism view on your television. It simply explains the depression that we live in. Go ask Roger Ailes and his goons. They got you locked on Fox News like little kiddies, locked straight to cartoons. They fed you by the tablespoon since you were a youth. It'll be embedded in your head when you're grooving in your tune. And the shit I'm dropping makes the whack go casket shopping. And shocking watching bodies be get riding for your common. Gives me the strange sense of hope and frustration. Like the microphone, lyrics say that information. Oh, yes, just grab it by the throat. Grab it by the throat and let your mind cope. Yes, just grab it by the throat and let your mind cope. And let your mind cope.